This AI tool was used to make the Linkin Park video Lost. It's had 59 million views on YouTube, the band said. Kaiber opened a new realm of creative possibilities and allowed us to produce quality music visualizers with a fraction of the time and resources that were previously required. This step-by-step guide will show you how to use Kaiber AI and how to generate videos using text, video, image, and even audio. So stay tuned, because the final feature within Kaiber is insane. The homepage of Kaiber AI is living proof of their work. Check this out. And in the gallery area, more videos created by the community of this incredible AI video generator. If you're curious how they were made, hover over and you'll see detailed prompts. And if you need more inspiration, just search for videos and the prompts that were used to make them. In terms of pricing, there's 3 different plans, ranging from $5 to $25. The most basic plan comes with a 7-day free trial and 100 free credits. With the basic plan, you can make 1-minute videos, but there's no option to upscale. Pricing plans 2 and 3 will allow you to make 8-minute videos, upscale to 1080p or 4K quality, and also gives you a generous amount of credits. To begin, click on Start Free Trial and make an account, or sign up with a Google account. Click on Create Video, and make sure to select 7 days free trial. Add the required payment info and you're good to go. But remember, you'll be charged after 7 days, so if you don't want to continue, cancel before the trial ends. Once you're in, you can start making videos, and there's various options to choose from. You can upload an image to make a video or upload an existing video and give it a fresh style or animate it. And as we said, you can even make a music video and synchronize it with music by adding an audio file. Starting with the most basic option, click on Just Start Writing Prompt. And if you're not an expert in prompt engineering, this tool will guide you through the process with ready-made prompts. Left of screen, you'll see 2 text boxes. Describing a subject means adding the main focus or character you want in your video. Be as descriptive as you can, but if you prefer, just use one of the pre-made prompts over on the right side. There are lots of options like cinematic, photorealistic, 3D rendering, watercolor, oil painting, and steampunk. Now click on Video Settings. Remember, every second of video is going to cost you 1 credit, so be mindful of that if you're on a free trial or the basic plan. Choose the length of video. Select the aspect ratio and camera movement. Camera movements can make or break the cinematics and vibe of your video. So if you're unsure about camera movements, maybe Google them and see what's best for your video. The Evolve function dictates how much of an impact AI will have on your uploaded video. So if you increase it, you'll generate a video that gets a little crazy. To start with, maybe just push it midway to 5. Go to Preview Frames, and after a few seconds, you'll be presented with 4 different key frames. At this point, you'll get a storyboard option. That'll help you to tie your video together with multiple other prompts. If you click on it, it'll take you back to the prompt page where you can create a new scene. Repeating this process will deliver as many scenes as you want. Then select the best one and click on Create this video. This might take a while, so grab some snacks whilst your video loads. And hey guys, please don't forget to subscribe. You can then download your video or upscale it to 1080p or 4K. You'll get a 1080p video at 1 credit for every 10 seconds, or a 4K video at 1 credit per 5 seconds. This option's only for those on the higher pricing plans. The next option is to make an AI video using an initial starting image as your inspiration. Upload your image in the first section. You'll still have to describe your image and how you want to convert it into video. So if you're not a prompt pro, our tip is to generate a prompt by translating your image on Replicate or any other image translator. But really, this is all about your imagination. Study your image, and just imagine how that static image could evolve into video. Then choose your style. You can use Kaiber's own styles or just make one up. Hit Video Settings and make your changes, and once again, you'll have 4 keyframes. Choose the one you like and let Kaiber do its thing. Moving on to making a video using an existing video. With this option, the quality of the original video is really important. So be sure to start with a video that's going to deliver. So you're going to upload your video and add the subject. You'll need to enter a brief explanation of your video requirements. Add any details and select the style you want, and go to Settings where you'll see just one option, Transform. This will determine how much Kaiber transforms the original video. So the lower you go, the closer to the original the new video will be. And the higher you go, the wilder it's going to get. Choose the best keyframe and kick back. Feet up, because transforming videos can take a while. Again, you can download or upscale your end product. The next feature within Kaiber AI is mind-blowing. You can literally make a music video by uploading just one image and a music file. First off, upload your starter image, and under the prompt and image section, upload your music file. Give it a prompt and style, then play around with the setting options. You'll then get an option to determine how much you want your video to react with the audio. Then generate the video. Kaiber AI recently announced Motion, where you can use text or image to generate animations. Before we cover that, please hit the subscribe button and leave us a comment, and we'll do our best to get back to you. To use Motion, just click on Create Video, and above the options we've already explored, there are two new options. One is Flipbook and the other one is Motion. Click on Motion and upload your image or generate motions using text. Enter your prompt, adjust the settings, and click on Generate Animation. Check it out.